New shipment, 500 items. Each one needs a name, brand, manufacturer, country of origin, photos uploaded. By hand? Not necessarily. If your products have an EAN, the basic data and photos can be pulled from GS1. The inbound channel in MarketProvider does this automatically. The principle is simple. A valid EAN is filled in on the product card. The system sends it to the GS1 database. In return, it receives data, including GTIN confirmation, writes it into the right attributes. All you need to do is review the result. The setup is the same as any inbound channel. Go to the channel section. Create an inbound channel of type GS1. In the general settings, enter the channel name and select the attribute the system will use to query information. By default, this is EAN or UPC. Switch to the Attribute Mapping tab. On the left, incoming attributes from the GS1 database. GTIN, brand name, product description, product image URL, global product category, country of sale, company name, net content, and others. On the right, your PIM attributes. Match the ones you need and specify which values go where. You don't need to pull everything. Select only the attributes you need, or the full available set, your call. As with any channel, transformation operations are available. You can merge multiple GS1 attributes into one PIM attribute, add a prefix or suffix, extract the number from text. All mapping operations work the same way regardless of the data source. Before launching, make sure that a valid EAN is filled in on the product cards. Without it, the system cannot find the product in the GS1 database. Launch the channel. The system goes through every product with a filled EAN, pulls the data, writes it into the specified attributes. The channel history shows how many products were processed and whether there were any errors. The GS1 inbound channel saves weeks of manual work. Data comes from an official source. Set up mapping once, then launch as needed. Visit our help center or reach out to your account manager.